Just got home with this BTX. We'll get it unloaded and then we'll go over it together. No break. All right, I'm back. That was quite the hassle. The wind kept blowing over my stick here, tripod, whatever you want to call it. So here's what we got. Let's see, we got really new. What they got going on here? It says a pull thing. So our pull rope just fell off. So I don't know. We'll look into it and see. Got some good tires. Melted the little cover here. But if you watch this, let me pop you up. When I pump on it, we got water that comes out because he left it, and we got 7 inches of rain last night. Crazy. So much I can't even turn it by hand anymore. Anyway, I don't know if you've seen a little bit come out. It's too strong for me to turn it over. I'll pull a sprocket out, I'll probably be able to do it, but if I rip the engine off there, see if it's salvageable, and then determine if I'm going to throw a ghost on there or not. What do you guys think? Should I put a ghost on it and build it up, or should I just get it running and put it back on marketplace? I see y'all lurking at the CT200s back there. Actually took them to a mini bike show yesterday here at Draper Lake. Pretty good turnout. Show went well. Rained a lot, so I didn't get to hit the trails with everybody, but maybe next time. Needs a new brake lever. Already cut my hand on it. But it's all easy stuff, really. I mean, frame's good. Like, it ain't gonna take much to get it going. But I really want y'all's engagement. Let me know if you want to see me throw a ghost on it and see what it'll do, and or if you quick flip it and go back to the CTs. I really want to build a the CT200U, the square ones. I want to cut it down, keep the fat tires, get them low to the forks, you know, get it right up under the seat, something really custom. But that's down the line, we'll see. I do have, a friend of mine has left his diesel engine here. I could throw on there, get us a quick video, see how that runs. He's want me to find a frame for it. I don't know if this is something he would want. He's a tall guy. This is kind of not for tall guys, I guess I would say. You know, the ones I'm trying to put him on are stretched usually, so he gets plenty of leg room out of them. Let's see, here's the Ghost, and there's that diesel engine right there. You're ready to go. Throw it on there. Man, I really like these. These turn out so good. Alright, well, bring you along as I start tinkering with it. Found some bolts. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt this pull start on and see what we get out of it. See how much water comes out, see if it'll fire up. Oh, mine already has a cover. I just need to. Alright. I hear a cat. We don't even have no cats around here. Move you over here, pull on it, see what happens with the water that comes out. Oh yeah, definitely full. There we go. Definitely don't feel like it's got any compression. Bone dry on fuel. Good night. Try to hit it with a little starter fluid, see if we can get it to bust off, but I really don't feel like it has any compression. Throttle don't work, throttle seized up. Man. Well, this guy, he got me good. Good thing I got a good deal on it. I don't know how you expect to use a twist throttle when there's no twisty thing in there. Oh, it ran though. It ran until that rope broke. Typical. That's why I don't ever pay what they're asking, because it's never what they say, ever. I'm gonna bet this engine is junk. Let's see if we're even getting any spark. Yeah, we're getting spark. Well, let's throw some spray in it. And for safety, I'm gonna throw something under because I got a feeling the clutch is probably bad too. That back wheel up off the ground. If it starts, just in case. Got a little something out of it. Yeah. All right. I mean, it don't sound very good, but it's something. All right. Well, we got something to work with anyway. Let's check the oil. Impressed it started. I wasn't expecting it, honestly. I always push that dang stand in when I don't mean to. Let's get you in there close. Yeah, she black, but she not watery. So we might have, maybe last night was the only rain it got in it, so it hasn't leaked down in there yet. All right, yeah, we'll be able to save it for sure. Really need to get all that water pumped out of there though. Pump on it a little bit. Yeah. We said we put some gas in it and see if we can keep it running. Maybe see if it's got a good carb or not. Gas valve is broke, so I don't even know if the gas is on, but we'll figure it out. Let's see if it's on or off. Appears to be off. Let's see if we can get it on. It's getting there. She on now. shaft. You can see down in there. But run. That's all we care. And a lot of us got problems with the carburetor, but I think it's gonna be alright. I think it's that chain holding me up. Let me get this run out of gas here real quick. Pulling this engine off anyway. I kind of want to do a governor removal with you guys on video. So I'm probably going to pull it off and use this for that. I don't know. We'll see. Kind of have something in the works. I might be trying to trade it. We'll see. But anyway, thanks for sticking around, checking it out. Like I said, in the comments, let me know what you guys think I should do to it. If you have any ideas. Try to do something similar to these. Never done it to a BTX. And I don't know how much you could really do other than adding a swing on, but I don't really want to